Assalamu alaikum, good morning, welcome back to my channel once again. If you are new on my channel, please click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to press the like button. Let's get started. This is gold hourly chart. Yesterday, as we have discussed in the video, gold made high around 1929, then crashed back to test around 1891. Yesterday, gold opened higher because of the banned SWIFT. We discussed that in yesterday's video that Russia was banned from SWIFT. In fact, only two banks were banned. Russia responded by saying that they have another system in place to replace the SWIFT completely and they will not be get impacted. However, one positive thing came yesterday that Russia and Ukraine held diplomatic talks yesterday, but it was not conclusive. It was not conclusive because Russia has made some unrealistic demands. I won't say it is unrealistic demand. They said that they would consider withdrawing their troops from the Ukraine if Ukraine assured that they will not join NATO. Ukraine replied immediately that they will be joining European Union and NATO, which almost guarantees that there is no peaceful solution through diplomacy for this Ukraine and Russia situation as of now. Sanctions are still mounting on Russia and Russia is still not blinking. Russia and US both are just thinking who will blink the first. Currently, Russia is not in position to blink because Russia have already started moving towards the Kiev, the capital of Ukraine. In fact, one of the picture was showing that European troops and armies convoy is nearly 40-mile long. Yes, you heard it right, 40-mile long. It is nearly 72-kilometer long convoy which are approaching to capital. So we are still watching the situation. I will be updating you on Telegram and Twitter if there is any significant update. Currently, gold prices are trading 1906. So let's have a look at resistance and support for today's trading session. 1890, that will act as support in gold price today. If gold break and sustain below this support, then expect 1880 and 1870. Resistance at 1925. Above this resistance, if gold price sustain above 1925, then expect 1935 and 1950. Currently it is in positive zone, so trade accordingly. You can also join me for live stream in evening. I usually live stream from 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. on my streaming channel. You can join live stream. We usually discuss markets, data, and if you have stuck in some trade, you can also ask me your trade on streaming channel link in description. For paid signal service, you can send me a message on WhatsApp. Number is in description. This is silver. Silver seems to be stable compared to gold, currently trading 24.31. It is also trading in positive zone. There is no doubt about that. Precious metals packs is trading in positive zone. So let's have a look at resistance and support for silver today. 2405, that will act as support now. If silver break and sustain below the support, then expect 2380 and 2350. Resistance 2455. Above this resistance, expect 2480 and $25. Currently, silver and gold both are trading in positive zone. This is crude oil, currently trading 96.58. Obviously, it is also trading in positive zone. So let's have a look at resistance and support for today's trading session. 94.50, that will act as support now. If crude oil break and sustain below the support, then expect $93 and $92. Resistance 98.30. Above this resistance, expect $99 and $100 in crude oil prices. Currently, all three major commodities, gold, silver and crude oil, all are trading in heavily positive zone. So do not go for sell. Let's move on to euro. This is euro. Yesterday, gold and dollar index both were gaining and this was crashing. Currently trading at 1202. Again, it is trading in weak zone because dollar index is still gaining. Interestingly, in this Russia and Ukraine's episode, dollar and gold both are gaining simultaneously. So this is an interesting scenario. So let's have a look at resistance and support for euro today. Then we will see British pound. 1230. That will act as resistance now. If euro break and sustain above this resistance, then expect 1260 and 1300. Support at 1150. Below this support, expect 1120 and 1100. We have ISM manufacturing numbers from US around 8:30 p.m. Indian Standard Timing, so keep an eye on that. We will be discussing more regarding this in our live stream today. Let's move on to British pound. This is British pound currently trading at 34.15. This is British pound. It finally from yesterday 33.22 to today's 34.30. It has recovered nearly 100 pips from yesterday's lows. It has entered in positive zone. So let me give you the resistance and support for British pound. Then we will see cryptocurrencies. 33.70. That will act as support in British pound now. If British pound break and sustain below this support, then expect 33.40 and 3300. Resistance 34.50. Above this, expect 34.80 and 35.10. Currently, British pound is trading in positive zone, so trade accordingly. Let's move on to cryptos. These are the levels I have given you yesterday. 39,600 was resistance in Bitcoin. Bitcoin broke the resistance and now trading almost $4,000 up. Obviously, it has entered in positive zone. Support now stands at $41,200. Resistance at $44,600. Currently, Bitcoin is trading in positive zone, so trade accordingly. Let's move on to Ethereum. Today, Indian markets are closed, so I'll not be covering that. 2720 was resistance. It broke the resistance and now trading almost $200 up. Now, yesterday's resistance have turned support now. Resistance at 30.50. Currently, it is in positive zone, so trade accordingly. You can also join me for live stream in evening. Live stream channel link in description. Follow me on Twitter and Telegram for live market updates. For paid signal service, you can send me a message on WhatsApp. Number is in description. And if you find this video useful or if you are watching my videos first time, consider subscribing it and click the bell icon. That was the video, guys. If you have enjoyed this video, please don't forget to press the like button. If you want to avail my paid buy and sell signals, you can send me a message on WhatsApp. Number is in description. Leave your feedback in comment section. I read all your comments. Now I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.